In this lesson we will learn about the editors, why it is needed, how it will be helpful. Why we are waiting then? Let's begin. Before learning basic structure of HTML, I need to talk about few editors. As we know, HTML can be written in only text editors, but in real time it is very difficult to write the code which is too long, as we are using different languages to write websites. Syntax checking as well as error management consumes lots of time. The text editors are not so convenient, so we use editors to speed up our process. The editors may be Dreamweaver, Bracket, Sublime Text, Notepad++, etc. There are so many editors available other than I mentioned. I personally use Brackets. I will put all the links in the description so that you can check it out. For Windows, Notepad++ is fine, or you can use Microsoft Visual Studios. Just grab any editor. Let's begin the process of learning. In the next video we will learn about the basic structure of HTML. So stay tuned to our channel and subscribe.